How to schedule a live on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to schedule a live on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram app on your mobile phone. You can schedule a live on Instagram if you are busy and if you have an event you want to schedule and let your followers know. This can be done on iOS or Android. So what you will do is you will go to your profile right here. Once you get here, you have to click on this plus button next to the menu. It will give you create option. We have create a reel, post, story highlight, and then we have live. So you have to select the live option. It will open up your camera for you. So we have title, audience, and we have schedule. So I'm going to click on schedule, video title. So it is going to be, let's say, a live. Then we have to enter the start time. So this is where I will be scheduling it. So let's schedule a live for tomorrow and the time is going to be, all right, so I have scheduled a live for tomorrow 7 and I'm going to click on done. Schedule live video. Your live video is scheduled and now I can share it with my followers, or for now I'm just gonna click on not now, and now my live has been scheduled on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.